Hello there. Today I will be making lemon shrimp with baked vegetables. This is a quick and healthy meal that you can make at your home. Alrighty, so in order to make this meal, we are going to need lemons, potatoes, shrimp, carrots, and asparagus. Also, whatever seasonings you like, and olive oil. Alrighty, let's get started. So I am going to repeat the ingredient list one more time. We have lemon, red potatoes, which are my favorite. We also have asparagus and carrots. Now these are fresh carrots, which are better and they taste better. I also have a pound of shrimp here, which feeds 2 to 3 people. We have olive oil, all kinds of seasoning. So I have pepper, garlic, salt, black pepper, but you can use whatever you want to season your food. So we are going to start washing um, the lemons and the potatoes. Before you do this, go ahead and set your oven to 450, and we're going to be cooking these potatoes at 450 for 30 minutes. So this will be the one that takes the longest. Now, when it comes to these carrots, obviously they have a lot of dirt, so you can peel off the skin if you want to. What I'm doing, I'm just washing off the dirt. It's not cleaned properly all the way. And then from here, we're going to use our scissors to cut off the, you could say, roots or growth. Alrighty, so we are going to be using a knife to cut the potatoes in squares. It doesn't really matter how big or small the potatoes are, just cut them to your preference. Here I'm just making a few cuts in squares or rectangles, I guess. Alright, so we're gonna put the potatoes in a bowl, and basically we're just going to be adding olive oil and whatever seasonings you want into this before we bake them. Alrighty, so you want to use tin foil here. Basically, set it on your cookie tray or cookie pan and lay a layer of olive oil, and then use a plastic spatula to, or little brush, I guess, to basically spread out the olive oil. This will make sure that your potatoes do not burn. They already have oil anyways, olive oil, but you just want to be on the safe side, I guess. So go ahead and put your potatoes in here and cover it with another layer of tin foil, and then make sure you close the ends. This is going to make sure all the heat stays inside the tin foil. That way all the food cooks evenly. The potatoes cook evenly. Alright, so the asparagus, go ahead and cut 1 or 2 inches off the base, and basically, we're gonna do this for the remainder of the stuff. Now for the carrots, cut off the ends where the roots attach, I guess. And then we are going to cut them in half or quarters and half, whichever you want to do. basically this will allow the carrot to cook faster and also be basically have more pieces, I guess, if it makes sense. And you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna basically use olive oil and then put the vegetables on top of this sheet here. And you're gonna be doing the same thing, adding more olive oil, more seasonings, and just mixing them very well. Now, whenever your potatoes are about 15 minutes in or halfway through, basically, you want to set your oven, or if you have a second oven, set it to 400 and then cook these for 12 minutes. Now, it depends on your ovens. You can basically bake them for 15 minutes or 10 minutes, 12 minutes. It really depends on how hot it gets. Now, if you only have one oven, then obviously wait for the for the potatoes to be done because those are at 450 and you don't want to put this because there'll be too much heat for the vegetables. But yes, so 30 minutes, 450 for the baked potatoes, and 12 to 15 minutes at 400 for the carrots and the asparagus. Now, as you can see here, we are cleaning the shrimp. We are taking off the skin, and you can also take the poop out, but that's totally up to you. And then wash them away as well. Wash them thoroughly. Now here I have half a pound, which normally feeds about 2 to 3 people. You can get a whole pound to do more food for more people. It's totally up to you. Alrighty, so now the lemons. Go ahead and cut the ends off and discard of those. And then basically just cut thin slices. And we're going to use these thin slices as the layer where the shrimp will go to make sure that when they're being baked, the citrus zest goes into the shrimp. Alrighty, so now for the shrimp, basically get a piece of tin foil, add olive oil, spread it around. Now we're going to be using the lemons to cover the entire sheet before we start seasoning our shrimp with olive oil and whatever seasonings you want. Alrighty, so go ahead and put the shrimp on top of the lemons, and they are ready to be baked. Alrighty, so the shrimp you want to cook at 400 as well, and these you want to cook about 10 minutes or even less depending on how fast they cook. So this is something you're going to have to keep an eye on, but basically the way I put them, I put the potatoes first, then the carrots and asparagus, and then the shrimp. The potatoes are done. Look at all the steam coming out. Look at how delicious these look. They are moist, hot, and very well seasoned. The shrimp is done as well. Obviously, you can see here how the shrimp is cooked. The vegetables are cooked too. The carrots, oh my god, it is so sweet. It basically tastes like sweet potatoes. No lies. And there you have it, guys. A quick, easy meal, healthy lemon shrimp with baked vegetables. I hope you like this. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. This is Grassy Terrain signing off. Until next time. Peace out. Bye.